Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Mid plus night, midnight. Cow plus boy, cowboy, midnight cowboy. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our program. We have two newcomers to introduce today because, as you will recall, at the end of yesterday's show, a champion walked off with a brand new car and a total of about $20,000 in prizes. Will it happen to one of these individuals? Let's find out. We'll introduce the lady on my right first. Her name is Elaine Dowdle.
Yes.
Hello, Elaine Dowdle.
Hello.
Where are you from?
I'm from San Diego.
Well, welcome to our show.
Thank you.
And good luck to you as you face this gentleman in this game, Mark Hartwig. Hello, Mark.
Hi, Alex.
Where are you from?
I'm originally from Bishop, California. Beautiful Bishop, California.
And now you reside?
In San Gabriel, California.
That's another nice place.
Californian.
Yes, indeed. Take a look over here. I don't know if this painting is about California, but we'll find out. Gene?
A Martin Lawrence Gallery's limited edition serograph tennis landscape by Mark King. Numbered and hand-signed by the artist and furnished by Martin Lawrence Galleries. Alex.
And for Elaine and Mark, we will show you where we are hiding that on our game board. Number 5, artwork. A holiday in the Bahamas on Paradise Island in this first game today. Mark, and you go first, please.
Well, Alex, I want a Paradise Island. I want that island. So let's try for that island under number 25.
Pearl necklace.
Okay, I'll take the pearl necklace. Pearl necklace, let's match that on turn number 24.
Gosh, you settled so quickly. Green take there, no match. Elaine?
Well, let's see. I'd like to have number 13.
Armoire.
And for my son's age, number 17.
Number 17. Paradise Island, Bahamas. No match. Mark?
Alex, I want a wild card, and I know that wild card is under number 1.
You know it. No. Paradise Island, Bahamas.
All right, I won't take the wild card, but I will take number 17.
Boo, says Elaine, but hurrah, says Mark. He's made the first match. It's a good prize, and it goes up in his column, and he gets the first look at this puzzle.
Wow.
Pick again.
I'll do that. Let's go up over to the right side of the board under number 15.
A built-in ironing center.
And I need an ironing center. Do I need an ironing center? I'm a bachelor. I need an ironing center.
Yes, you do look a little wrinkled today. An ironing center would have just cleaned you up beautifully before appearing on national television.
Thanks,
like this, Mark.
Thanks, Alex. Everybody.
Yes.
I'll take the match the built-in ironing center under number 11.
No. Ooh. Red take. Elaine.
Let's see. I'd like to have number 7.
Pearl necklace.
And number 25, I hope?
Pearl necklace, yes. You don't have to hope on that one. When you make the right selection, open it up, please, for Elaine. Select again.
Well, let's see what's under number 9.
An antique library globe.
And let's see what's under number 18.
Nope. Artwork. Mark.
Let's try under number 5, Alex.
That's artwork.
And can I match that artwork under number 18?
Of course you can.
Great.
Very easily. I don't know if you folks at home caught that. Elaine just threw a boo hiss in Mark's direction.
Oh, we're friends.
I'm helping him out. I mean,
of course you are. Let's see what happens as we help him out by opening these 2 doors. Pick again.
You know, I really want a globe. I've wanted a globe my whole life. Let's try for a globe under number 23.
Wild card. Now, you wanted a globe your whole life. You know where the globe is. Are you going to select that and make the match, or are you going to go somewhere else?
You know, I don't have a library, but maybe I'll win that later. I'm going to take the globe under number 9.
Number 9 for the Antique Library Globe, and the match for that, the natural, is in the lower left-hand corner at 21. 3 more doors, swinging open for Mark. Go again.
Okay. Let's try number 20, Alex.
Red take.
Red take. Why don't we try for the match to the red take under number 11?
Red take. A match for the gentleman. Pearl necklace sitting up there in Elaine's column.
Well, pearl necklaces just don't look good on me, so I'm going to save it, Alex.
All righty. A save for Mark, and a look at the puzzle once again. Pick again.
Let's go for number 8, Alex.
Electric guitar with amplifier.
Alex, electric guitar.
Yeah.
Oh man, radical. Let's try the electric guitar on number 2.
Green
Ooh.
take, no match. Elaine?
Let's see what's under number 15.
Built-in ironing
Oh, yes,
center.
I remember. He wanted that. Let's try number 16.
Armoire, no match. Back to Mark.
Number 24 and number
Green
2.
take. Green take, yes. Want to use one of them?
Yeah, I might as well. I'll take the pearl necklace.
Pearl necklace. Pearl necklace coming over to Mark's side. And now 2 more doors opening for his benefit. Try it again.
I'll have number 16, please, Alex.
Armoire.
And I think the armoire's under number 13.
Armoire, right again. Looks like Mark has a good chance to put all of the prizes in this game in his column. Let's see if he can solve the puzzle, however. That's important.
Rocket ship.
Rocket ship. Yes. Just like that, yes. Congratulations, young man. Let's go to the board.
Well, Alex, we have my old grandmother rocking here. So we have rock, hit, in baseball, lousy sport, hit, and ship, and hip. Rocket ship.
Don't like baseball, huh, Mark?
Well, I couldn't play it, that's all, Alex.
Oh, really? All right, Elaine, only 1 strike against you. You'll be back to compete in game number 2 in just a little bit.
Look out.
All right.
Good luck.
Mark, let's see what you've won. Gene, tell him about his prizes. He's got some good stuff coming.
An antique library globe and an armoire. Broyhill's stately armoire with gracefully paneled doors will be your entertainment center, linen closet, wardrobe, or pantry. Beautiful oak finish furnished by Broyhill. And a pearl necklace. A matinee length cultured pearl necklace, 6 to 6.5 millimeter, beautifully adorned with a 14-karat gold clasp from the fine jewelry collection of the Michael C. Fina Company. And Paradise Island, Bahamas. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Miami. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding and while in flight. Experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at Merv Griffin's Paradise Island Resort and Casino. Water sports, golf, tennis, gourmet dining, miles of private beaches, and a myriad of nightlife attractions furnished by the Paradise Island Resort and Casino. And, of course, the lovely artwork. And, Mark, you have hit the mark. Prizes totaling $8,126.
Big win for just 1 game. And when we return, let's see if we can win a brand new car and match that score. Mark Hardwick won the game. And there was some talk during the commercial break about the fact that he may be getting married before too long. Is that a possibility? Is this a possibility? Am I putting a lot of pressure on you?
I don't think there's a possibility there, Alex.
Really?
Well...
Is there somebody very special in your life right now?
There's somebody real special, but the M word.
The M word, that dreaded M word, huh? Frightens you?
Yeah.
All right, well, let's play the C game, the car game. 15 numbered squares up there for you. Base time on the clock, 35 seconds. Good luck, off you go.
1, 2.
No.
4, 5.
No.
7, 8.
No.
5, 8.
No.
10, 11.
Nope.
2, 11.
Nope.
1, 11.
Yes.
13, 14.
Nope.
7, 13.
Nope.
15, 12.
Nope.
6, 9.
Nope.
6, 12.
Yes.
3, 10.
No.
8.
That dreaded buzzer and those dissonant horns. Very bad. However, you do have $8,126 in prize winnings. And we'll talk about marriage during this break. We'll be back. Well, I was wrong. I thought we might be talking about marriage during the commercial break with Mark, but it didn't work out that way. Elaine threatened him. What did you say to him a few moments ago?
I told him I'm out for blood this time.
You're out for blood. Well, are you married?
Oh, no, I'm divorced.
You're divorced.
Yes.
Any children?
I have 2 children.
How
I
old?
have a 13-year-old daughter who's here, and I have a 17-year-old son who's going to either UCSD or UCLA or Cal Poly Pomona.
What would he like to do?
Electrical engineering so far, but he's changed his major about 3 times, so we don't know.
That's all right. When they're that age, they change their minds very often.
Yes.
But not to worry. You ready to go?
I'm ready.
You want to go for blood on this one?
Yes.
Take a look over here. This is a lovely prize. Could be yours if you draw blood from Mark.
A portable 4-head VCR with built-in 4-inch LCD color monitor lets you view full-size cassettes at home, the beach, or the office. Alex.
Hey, that's terrific. Beautiful little screen. Look at that. All right, let's take a look at our game board and see where we will find the VCR with color monitor at number 21. Since this is the second game of the show, we have the cash pot, and it's at $500. We have the 5 bonus car seconds, and our vacation in this one is a holiday in Las Vegas. And Elaine, you get to pick first with only one wild card in play on the board.
Okay, let's go for number 9.
Physician scale.
I just lost 130 pounds.
You did? You
Yes.
serious?
I'm serious.
How long did it take?
2 years.
That's
my
that's
second
doing
year.
it the intelligent way,
Yes.
not trying to get it all packed into a couple of months.
Yes.
How do you feel now?
Well, I felt great before, but I feel even better now.
Good for you. Good for you. All
Well,
right.
let's see. Let's try number 12.
Marble chess set. No match. Mark?
Well, Alex, I have medical school applications out for next year, and it would be great to have a physician scale in my office. So let's try for number 4 in the physician scale.
Yes.
It must be meant to be a number 9, a physician scale.
Right. There it is, the physician scale. You're talking about an office, and you're just now starting medical school? Is that what you said?
Yeah, but we need to think forward.
Yes, that's right. I have a feeling that you might be the type of guy who would want to practice medicine while you were going to school. Hey, I just read up on hernias. Bring your hernias in here, folks. I'll deal with that. Can't deal with something else. Can't deal with a bad knee. Open these two panels for Mark. See if he can solve this puzzle early. No? All right, pick again.
Let's try number 1 up in the upper left-hand corner.
5 bonus car seconds.
And I think the match to that is under number 6.
We believe you, but unfortunately, it isn't there. It isn't so. Elaine.
Let me try number 13 in the center.
Las Vegas Resort.
And let's try number 25.
Green take, no match. Mark.
All right. How about number 14?
Las Vegas Resort.
And I think that resort's under number 13.
Yes. The holiday in Las Vegas is in Mark's column. It may not stay there forever, however. Open it up.
Let's.
Oh, hang on, Elaine, because it's Mark's match. He gets to pick.
24, please.
Massage table.
Ooh, boy. Well, does that come with a massager by any chance? Or
Comes with a physician's scale.
in the Bahamas, maybe? Or how about number 7 for that match?
No, that's a green take. Elaine?
Oh, see, number 6.
Red take.
No. Okay. And number 1.
Nope. 5 bonus car seconds up there, so we go right back to Mark.
Let's try number 25, Alex.
Green take.
And how about number 7?
Yes. A green take for Mark. This goes up here and down here. 2 doors swing open for him. Select.
15, Alex.
Wild card. Ain't nothing bad gonna happen to you on this turn.
I'm gonna go for number 6.
Number 6 is the red take. Oh, interesting strategy. The other red take at number 11. You have both takes. You have all the security you need. Unfortunately, can't take anything because Elaine hasn't had a chance to put any prizes up there. So we'll open 3 panels for you, Mark. See if you can do something with this. Select again.
Okay, I need to see what's under number 18, Alex.
Marble chess set.
Oh boy, how about number 12?
Marble chess set. A match. Another 2 doors swinging open for your benefit. Select again.
Okay. How about number 22?
Cash pot, $500.
And cash pot, is that under number 5?
Diamond and amethyst ring. Elaine, a little while ago when you first uncovered that Las Vegas holiday, which you cannot even have a chance at winning now, you mentioned something about your son being born there?
Yes, he was.
Isn't that nice?
Yes, he
so
was my
it's kind
bonus
of a special
baby.
place for you.
Yes.
All right.
Let's see, number 1 and number 17.
Bonus car seconds? No, the amethyst ring is there. Mark.
Number 5, Alex.
For the ring?
And number 17.
For the ring. 2 doors opening for Mark. Select again.
Let's try number 21.
VCR with a color monitor?
And the match to that VCR with a color monitor is under number 16.
Yes. And we had not seen it there before. We showed you the one at 21. 2 more doors opening up. It was a good guess. Select.
I need to see what's under number 2.
Stereo system.
Stereo system. And you know, I just feel like there's a stereo system underneath number 19.
Good feeling. Good feeling, and there's nothing Elaine can do about something like that when Mark makes those matches naturally. Open it up, please. Select again. Oh, there's the bell. No chance for any more selections. Elaine, here's your opportunity. Hands on your signaling buttons, contestants. You can ring in when we have revealed the first box, and we're starting with number 1. Then 3, 8, 10, 20, 22, 23, 24. No solution yet? All right, I'm going to start assisting you. Remember, this time you can ring in when the green light goes on. We'll begin with the first symbol. It's hey, so A. Then we have sense. We've got a television set that's on. The other one is off. So we get a sense off. Mark.
A sense of loyalty.
Sense of loyalty, he says. Yes, and that's what it is. Good reflexes for Mark, and it pays off in a big way again. Gosh. Come on, Mark. Break it down. Solve the rest of the puzzle.
I was thinking this was pitch and maybe pennies, but anyway, it's hey, cents, more than 1 cent, off, you can see here. L, I had L, loyal, and then the teabag T. A sense of loyalty.
Well done. And Elaine, you're a good sport. You've lost your second game, and I overheard you tell them win a car. So
Yes.
thank you for that, and we've got some parting gifts for you backstage. I wish it could be more. Take care, Elaine.
Thank
so
you.
long.
Bye-bye.
Nice having you here. A lot of prizes for Mark once again. Big win. Gene, tell them all about it.
A marble chess set, a physician's scale, and a stereo system. The Sanyo digital AM/FM stereo music system with CD player and 15-function remote control delivers dynamic power and crystal clear stereo music for your listening enjoyment, furnished by Sanyo. And a diamond amethyst ring. Part of South Dakota Gold Company's Gemstar line, this ring features a pear-shaped amethyst, crafted in 14-karat gold and accented with sparkling diamonds, a bold-fashioned statement, furnished by South Dakota Gold Company. And a Las Vegas resort. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Las Vegas. You'll spend 6 nights at Bally's Casino Resort, Las Vegas. Fun and excitement is yours with 6 first-class restaurants, 2 showrooms, and a 40-shop mall furnished by Bally's Casino Resort. And, of course, the handsome VCR with color monitor. A prize package worth $4,599.
Close to $13,000 in just 2 games for this young man. Can he win a brand new car? You'll find out in about a minute from now. Let's go to work. 15 numbered squares, 40 seconds on the clock. Good luck. Off you go.
13, 14.
No.
10, 11.
No.
7, 8.
Nope.
4, 5.
No.
13, 4.
Right?
1, 2.
No.
3, 5.
No.
7, 9.
Nope.
14, 9.
Right?
12, 5.
Nope.
2, 3.
No.
15, 6.
Didn't work out for you. I have a feeling that
sorry,
you didn't
Alex.
win a car because you wanted to play some more games and win big bucks there. You've got $12,725, and here's Gene to tell us about another prize.
Some of today's participants may receive Soft Touch, puts designer fashion into fitness, coordinated bodywear and nylon fibers, bright colors, layered looks, and new silhouettes for any workout furnished by Soft Touch. We'll be back with Classic Concentration in just a moment.
We'll be back tomorrow, and we will too. See you then.
Bye.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.